Hello everybody and welcome back to Nature in the Wild. Today I'm in the Egyptian desert surrounded by oceans of sand. It's gonna be hot and dangerous. Let's go. As you can see, there are literally sand everywhere. It's in my socks, it's in my shoes, it's in the trees, it's in the shoes. Anyway, as you can see, this sand goes on for miles. But luckily I'm prepared with shorts on, so the heat will not get to me. Let's go. Now, the desert is a cruel place where barely anything can survive, but this is one of nature's miracles. As you can see, this is the rare and sentient cactus. As you can see, the cactus survives in sand like many of the other wild plants of the Egyptian rainforest. As you can tell by its green color, it's quite healthy. If it was brown, it'd probably be dead. Now, cactuses, like other deadly plants, will trust you. Just like what you do with poison ivy. You gotta pet the cactus and it will see you as a friend. Let's go. No. No. Don't die. Don't die on me. No. You got covered in sand. No. Oh, my phone is gonna die. Cameraman Bill. No, I didn't. Gotta get this cameraman to a medical facility. I'll see you next time on Nature in the Wild. Goodbye. I gotta save you.